Okay, you guys, I'm gonna sow these seeds. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put Tiny Tim over here, and I'm gonna make a attempt with my Little Prince eggplant. I'm gonna give him a go again on the one over here, but I definitely want to sow some of my Tiny Tims over here, and I'm actually going to sow all the seeds that was in this pack, which is a few. Okay, you guys, I don't know if y'all can see that. I think you can. So what I'm doing is just taking the seeds, lightly pressing them in, and I'm doing like a brick, kind of like a brick sewing set. If you're familiar with how they set bricks like that, so that I can get I guess they call it dense planting, as much use and food out of the straw bale as possible. So I'm just sowing the seed lightly in there, and then I'm going to water this down. I'm going to lightly water this, but I know some rain is coming, so I want to take advantage of the rain that's coming. And I'm also going to sow some black cherry tomatoes. And again, you guys, I don't even know if these are determinate or indeterminate. I'm thinking that they're the ones that just going to give you fruit and then die back. I'm not even sure. So I'm just going to move on down here. Hopefully I ain't spaced out too much, because I want to put seeds, as many seeds as possible in here. And I might come back and set out, but for the most part, I'm just sowing one seed in each area. Might wind up with two in each area if I don't pick them up right, but for the most part, I'm trying to just do one in each area. So this area right here is full with little cherry tomatoes. So I'm so looking forward to that. I'm glad I'm finally getting to this, you guys, because I was really excited about doing this, and then I just got tired, and I was like, am I going to get to it? But I know I kept promising you guys that I was working on some new stuff. So okay, so we have, let me get my label. So we have the Tiny Tim and the black cherry right here. Tiny Tim. We got those right here. And we got black cherry here. Black cherry right here. Let's see. I'll stick it right here. And then I think what I'm going to try to do is do some more tomatoes over here. I'm not sure, you guys, if this is going to need a trellis. It's the red cherry, large fruited one. So these might be some that they fruit and then they die back. So I'm gonna plant some like right in here. I don't know what they're gonna do, but I'm gonna plant them. When I got to the end of this bag of soil, it was moisture there, so that's a good thing. There's some moisture in it from the rain, I guess. I'm gonna get up in this corner, get one in there, get one in there. So we at the corner, and let's see what we have here. Okay, we did our tiny tim. I was thinking about doing the beefsteak, but I think with the beefsteak, they probably gonna need, I'm sure they're gonna need that trellis. So I wanna definitely focus on things that's probably not gonna get that big. So okay, we did the red cherry large fruit, and we could do, I'm gonna do the yellow pear over here. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do the yellow pear, and then I'm gonna do another tomato, which is a sweet, super sweet 100. Can y'all see that? And then I'm gonna do the yellow pear, because I'm really looking forward to seeing those. So let's see where we at. Get these doggone things done. Yellow pear, and then super sweet. All right, so that's gonna be our last bale on this side, and then I'll show you guys everything I did. So let me move over here. So we're gonna do the yellow pear and then the sweet tomato over there. So what I'm gonna do here, you guys, is I'm gonna sow some yellow pear on this angle right here, because I already have some of the cherry, the black cherries right here. So there's still space right here. So again, I wanna definitely, shoot, I might, wait a second, y'all. Ooh, we just got a few of those in here. So not much. I think I got about 6 seeds out of there. Yep, you guys, not much. So that was about 6 seeds of the yellow. That is it for that pack. And we're gonna do some of the super sweet, and I'm probably gonna add, let me get this super sweet. Oh, these are different seeds. They're not too tiny, you guys. They little, hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they little white seeds. Put some more. I might even use up this whole pack. Yep, that's it, you guys. They probably had about 10 in that pack. All right, so that pack is empty, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another attempt, and this is not the first seeds I sowed, and I'm gonna skip this over here like so I know where those is at. And then I'm gonna fill out another tag, and I'm gonna do that poinsettia. And I need to bring you guys an update, because I replanted in the green stalk, and I still haven't seen any seeds germinated. That might have been maybe about 6 days ago, and I still haven't seen anything in there yet. I did see some lettuce, but it didn't do good. It just flopped, got too wet, and it just flopped. And I think it's because of the heat. You know, lettuce like a little coolness, because some of my lettuce on the grow table had bolted. So I had to just pull those out because it had already bolted. So I don't know if some of you guys are experiencing the bolting, but mine did. They just went to bolt. Right on the edge too, and I think we got about, yep, the last two. We get that on in there. So Again, this is the poinsettia. And who knows, maybe it'll do good over here. I'm just dying to see poinsettia, the peppers. So let's see, poinsettias. All right, so that is my poinsettias right there, and I'm gonna take you guys on around so you can see what I did on the other side as well. And I'm thinking about actually, I'm gonna get to that corner on that end, and I'm gonna put some poinsettias in between there some kind of way. So let me get you guys on that side so y'all can see what I did on that side. And I am gonna sit back and watch these germinate and grow. So let me get you guys over there, and I think I'm gonna put some habaneros on these as well. Matter of fact, that's probably what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna throw them on in there. I ain't got nothing else to lose, you guys. Right? I'm just gonna stick 5 in there. I'm gonna stick them in right in here. But see, even if they go into that straw, they probably gonna do something. I'm gonna have all kinds of stuff sticking out of here, and I'm gonna put one back here. I just need to remember they back there. Essie just sowing seeds everywhere, y'all. Okay. Let's see what I did to the other side, you guys. All right, you guys, it's looking good out here. All right, let's see what I did over here, you guys. So, I sowed the Marbonado tomato over there, the black cherry over there, and the tiny Tim over here. So what I'm going to do is go to each corner, and I'm going to put in, let's see what we have here, if I have any more. Okay. So what I'm going to put in each corner is some habaneros on each side. And I think I finished those. Yep, those are done. And let's see, the poinsettias is done. Hopefully, okay. All right, you guys. So the poinsettias is done. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to put some habaneros. I'm going to squeeze a bit right over here in this corner and towards this back area. And then I'm going to do some on the other side. And I'm also going to put some habaneros on this side. All right, you guys. Probably gonna do about 5 on the corner here. And we're gonna see how they do. I'm sure something will germinate. This is gonna be fun to watch grow. Okay. So we got habanero on both ends and poinsettia. And I'm gonna put some labels on each one of these corners. So you guys, that is my seed sowing on my Strawbale garden. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And again, make sure y'all if you can, get the book, do some more research. It's easy peasy. I just took a minute to get to it. because actually I was enjoying the straw bales just looking the way they look, because it looks like I'm on a prairie. It looks like it makes the garden look very homesteady. So I was enjoying enjoying the way they looked and the way they made the garden look and everything. So I guess that's why I didn't rush to get to it. But here you go, you guys, my intro to straw bale gardening. So y'all sit back with me and watch everything germinate and grow. And I'm excited. It's done and over with. So now I could just continue to move on to my next project. The raised bed with the spinach, I'm going to clear that out over here where the spinach was burning. So I'm going to clear that out, and then I'm going to sow some more seeds in there. The raised bed that was over here with all the greens, I've already actually sowed some. Did I sow seeds in here? No, I don't think I got to that yet. But where the prolific squash is at, I'm probably going to sow some more prolific squash in there, and then I'm going to sow the dark green squash over here, along with probably some more eggplant, maybe the purple eggplant. I think I need some more of those, and the black beauty, because for some reason the seeds haven't germinated where the prolific squash is at. So I think that's what I'm going to do over here. I may switch it out, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what I'm going to do with the raised bed over here with the keyhole, and the raised bed that is emptied out over there. Okay, you guys? Whew. I said I was going to beat the heat, and y'all see me out here, right? Yo, it's like we just jumped right into summer. 95, 94 degrees, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this intro into straw bale gardening. I'm excited. I'm glad I finally got it done. That's off the checklist. Now I have to move on to the next projects. So this is Essie the Gardener. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers and all my newbies. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below, ask away. I'll try to get to everybody's question. I try to answer. But yeah, this is Essie the Gardener. Peace, love, and like. Thumbs up, subscribe, share, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.